Stay protected on every drive with crystal-clear recording, reliable night vision, and smart safety features built for real roads. Discover the best dash cam that delivers sharp footage, wide-angle coverage, easy installation, and dependable performance for daily commuting and long road trips. Worldwide trusted security. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TERUNSOUl 128GB Dash Cam by TERUNSOUl. The TERUNSOUl 128GB Dash Cam stands out as a premium dual-channel recording system designed for drivers who demand maximum clarity and reliability. Featuring Ultra HD 4K front and 4K rear recording, this model captures both directions simultaneously at 3840x2160p, ensuring that license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic are recorded in exceptional detail. The 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle front lens provides expansive coverage, making it ideal for multi-lane highways and busy urban streets. With loop recording and a built-in G sensor, the camera ensures continuous operation while automatically locking important footage during sudden impacts or collisions. The included 128GB memory card allows instant use out of the box, and support for up to 512GB ensures long-term recording capacity. Night performance is another major advantage. Thanks to Super Starlight technology, WDR processing, and large f1.5 and f1.8 apertures. Number 2. ROVE 24H Dash Cam by ROVE. The ROVE 24H Dash Cam is a powerful and versatile dual-camera system designed for drivers who prioritize image quality and consistent performance. It features 4K front recording at 3840x2160p and 1080p rear recording, delivering sharp and detailed footage in both directions. With wide viewing angles of 150 degrees in front and 140 degrees in the rear, the camera captures a broad section of the road, reducing blind spots and improving overall coverage. One of its most notable strengths is the Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, which significantly enhances low-light performance. Combined with large f1.5 and f1.8 apertures, this sensor produces vivid colors, reduced noise, and excellent clarity in challenging lighting conditions, making it ideal for night driving. The ROVE Dash Cam also includes ultra-fast dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz networks. Number 3. REDTIGER 5.8 GHz Dash Cam by REDTIGER. The REDTIGER 5.8 GHz Dash Cam, particularly the F7MP model, is built for drivers who value strong performance, reliable evidence capture, and modern connectivity. It records in 4K resolution at the front and 1080p at the rear, ensuring that essential road details such as license plates, traffic signals, and vehicle movements are clearly documented. Equipped with a Starvis 2 sensor and a 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lens, this dash cam delivers balanced exposure and sharp visuals in both daylight and nighttime conditions. Its f1.5 aperture and 6-layer optical lens further enhance light intake, while WDR and HDR technology help control glare and shadow areas, producing consistent and high-contrast footage. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi system enables fast downloads of up to 20 megabytes per second, allowing users to access videos instantly through the REDTIGER Cam app. In addition to viewing and downloading recordings, the app provides GPS data such as route, speed, and location. Number 4. IIWEY N5 Dash Cam by IIWEY. The IIWEY N5 Dash Cam is a unique multi-channel system designed for drivers who require full interior and exterior coverage. Unlike standard dual-camera models, this device offers 4-channel recording, capturing front, rear, sides, and interior views simultaneously in 1080p resolution. It also supports a higher resolution mode combining 2.5K and 1080p streams, providing flexibility for different recording needs. With a 3-inch IPS display, users can easily monitor footage and adjust settings directly on the device. Wide-angle lenses, including 170 degrees for front and rear and 150 degrees for side cameras, ensure comprehensive coverage around the vehicle, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet operators, and security-conscious users. The N5 uses a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, improving durability in extreme temperatures and extending overall lifespan. It must be powered through the original car charger, ensuring stable and uninterrupted operation. Number 5. Pelsee P1 Dash Cam by Pelsee. The Pelsee P1 Dash Cam is a feature-rich dual-camera system designed to deliver clarity, convenience, and hands-free operation. It records in 4K resolution at the front and 1080p at the rear, using a 170 degrees front lens and a 150 degrees rear lens to capture wide road coverage. This setup ensures that critical driving moments are preserved in high detail, providing reliable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. One of the standout features of this model is its built-in Wi-Fi and smartphone app integration. Through the Pelsee Cam app, users can preview footage in real time, download recordings, replay clips, and even edit videos directly from their phones. This makes content management simple and efficient. The Pelsee P1 also offers voice-activated control, allowing drivers to lock videos, take photos, or manage audio recording without taking their hands off the wheel. This enhances safety by minimizing distractions. Night performance is another strong point, thanks to its f1.5 aperture and 6-layer optical lens. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.